Hi, in this paper, I would introduce a new metric and new training methods for distinctive image captioning. This is a joint work from City University of Hong Kong and University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. In this talk, I'll first introduce the background and motivation. Then, I'll dive into details of our main contribution, the metric for distinctiveness, and the training method. Finally, I'll show the experiment results and conclusion. A wide range of image captioning models has been developed, achieving significant improvement based on popular metrics such as BLEU, CIDR, and SPICE. Currently, the limitation of image captioning models is that the generated captions tend to consist of common words, so that many different images will have similar or even the same captions. For example, in the second row, the captions for 3 images use same words which is marked in red, such as plate, food, and table. These captions are poor at mimicking the inherent characteristics of human language, that is, the ability to provide the specific and detailed aspects of the image that can distinguish it from other similar images. In this work, we aim to promote the distinctiveness of image captioning. Given similar images, we can generate important and specific captions to describe the image and distinguish it from others. Our first question would be, given a caption that describes an image, how to evaluate the distinctiveness of this caption? Traditional metrics for image caption, such as CIDR and SPICE, normally consider the overlap between a generated caption and the ground truth captions. They evaluate the accuracy and quality of the generated caption, but not the distinctiveness. There is a popular metric for distinctiveness, recall at key. Here, the target caption is used as the query to retrieve the target image in a pre-trained image text embedding space. Ideally, a correct and distinctive caption should retrieve the image, here the flowers, among a huge image set. However, this metric is time-consuming because there are thousands of images in the joint space, and different pre-trained embedding space should result in different recall value. Let's consider the definition of distinctiveness again, which is an ability to generate important aspects that can distinguish the image from other similar ones. Thus, we propose between set CIDR. We also call it CIDR between. By measuring the semantic distance between the target caption and a set of similar images, we can tell if the caption is distinctive. So, how to evaluate the semantic distance between these two items? We first use the target caption, the target image, to retrieve a similar image set with key samples. Each image is equipped with n human annotated captions. Then, we calculate the CIDR value between the target caption and the ground truth captions from similar images set. If the caption captures unique aspects in its image, then it should have less overlap with the captions from similar image set. Thus, it will own a lower CIDR between value. After we define how to evaluate the distinctiveness, the next task is to train an image captioning model to generate distinctive image captions. Similar as other methods, our model is composed of an image encoder and language decoder. There are 2 criteria to update the parameters of our model: the maximum likelihood estimation and the reinforcement learning. Traditional training objectives treat each ground truth caption equally when calculating the loss and reward. However, equal weighting encourages the model to predict the common words that match all ground truth captions, and will result in a very general caption. Besides, we found that the ground truth captions of one image are not equivalent based on distinctiveness. Consider this image as an example. Some ground truth captions contain more distinctive concepts, such as the vase and the shelf in the background, while others only describe the flowers. During training process, cider between can be used as an indicator of which ground truth captions deserve more attention, encouraging the model to learn from more distinctive captions. Given a ground truth caption C0, we can calculate the cider between value of this caption. Then we reverse the value into a weight parameter, W. Then the caption with a lower cider between value should gain higher attention during training. Thus, the parameter Wi can reweight the contribution of the ith ground truth caption during training. We apply the reweighting mechanism when calculating the cross-entropy loss of each ground truth caption in maximum likelihood estimation. Similarly, we reweight the reward of each ground truth during reinforcement learning. Finally, when performing reinforcement learning, our cider between can also be used as a part of the reward related to distinctiveness. A generated caption C* with higher distinctiveness, which is measured by cider between value, and higher quality, which is measured by cider, will get a higher reward. Our experiments are performed using 4 baseline models. We consider 2 groups of metrics for evaluation. The first group includes cider and blue for evaluating the accuracy and quality of generated captions. The second group assesses the distinctiveness of captions, which includes our cider between metric and the retrieval metrics. From this table, we can tell all baseline models obtain better performance when using cider between weights in training process, which suggests that our method is widely applicable to many existing models. When compared to other models that aim to generate distinctive captions, our model is able to achieve state-of-the-art accuracy and distinctiveness. We also perform user study to see if our captions are more distinctive to human. This is the surface of the user study, where we display a caption, the image that generates the caption, and a similar image. Then we ask the user to choose the image that they think the caption is describing. The retrieval accuracy of models trained with or without cider between weight is shown in this table. The captions from our model help humans to perform better in image retrieval game, which indicates that our model is able to generate more distinctive captions. The qualitative results show that our model can generate captions with specific and important details such as the clock in the background and the cell phone in the hand. In conclusion, we propose a metric called cider between to evaluate the distinctiveness of captions with similar image sets. Cider between can be used as a guidance for training to encourage the model to learn more from distinctive captions. Our training method generates distinctive captions and maintain the state-of-the-art accuracy. Thank you for listening.